We'll talk about this OEM wheel spaces for Mercedes E-Class.
BONOSS owns an independent OEM factory, so their custom wheel spacers can be completed within 3 days. OEM and ODM is available. If you are looking for an unusual thickness or bolt pattern conversion to fit custom wheels, BONOSS offers non-normal thickness customized service. 3 mm thick to 160 mm thick are available. There are a large amount of options with our customized PCD conversion wheel adapters. BONOSS manufacturer-produced wheel spacers are made of high-grade forged 7075 T6 aluminum alloy, which features many desirable properties, such as high strength, wheel resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal performs good mechanical properties. Compared with ordinary aluminum alloy 7075 materials, the tensile strength and yield strength are about 5 times higher.
If you want to get this BONOSS OEM wheel spacers for Mercedes, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.